perception are distorted. He becomes confused, and he displays irresponsibility and...
On a budget, exploit someone. Centerpieces of the Damned. Live your truth, honey. Off the rails.
Perceiving things as...
RSVP with 21 more people. Whiter shade of rude. A circle of life. Take me out of your story. A lot of drama. Tempting offer to attend the wedding.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.